This is James from HEB. Today we're going to install the HEB Allscape with the tire liner and a new tube. So what you're going to need for this project is your tire liners, your HEB Allscape tire, tube, your wheel, a pair of scissors, the tire lever, and a pump. I like to put the tire on halfway first. And then put some air in your tube. Once you have your valve in and your tube, now we can start installing our tire liner. You're going to need to cut these because they come in lengths for 20 by 4, 24 by 4, and 26 by 4. I like to start opposite of the valve. And so what we're going to do is tuck this between the top of the tube and the inside of the tire. Now we're back around to our other side, and so we're going to, you can see there, get a little measurement about an inch or so longer. Put that in here. Now that you have that in with a nice overlap, I'm going to go around a second time and just make sure there aren't any wrinkles or places it's folded up on itself. Once you're sure you have your tire liner in without any wrinkles, you're going to install the rest of the tire. And most of the time you can do this by hand, but sometimes you will need a tire lever. See, like there's a little tight. Slip your tire lever under the bead and just pry it over. And then for the HEB Allscape, you want to make sure you get it centered all the way around. So there's a little line that goes all the way around the tire. So you can kind of manually put it into position. If it ends up inside too much like this, you simply pull it back out and then start adding some air while watching that reveal. So as you're checking your reveal, you'll see where there's a high spot, you see more of the space. And on that one, what we'll do to correct it is push down and in till we get that spot even again. And then other times the tire can end up too far on the inside. like we just forced this one to be, and then just do the opposite. Just take the palm of your hand and grab the tire, kind of roll it and pull it out until you see the same space all the way around. Nice and smooth.